Hello, today we have a new trick. So I have a bowl here, see that? I'm going to turn it into candy. So many candy. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. Ooh, where is it here? So to create this trick is very simple. You need a tripod. So this time I use a tripod and my Samsung A70. So you know that many Jacky trick, he just used his phone and he filming something and he created a tip at the trick. He created a trick. It is very interesting to watch his video. And of course you need candy, and I also have a glass cup, something like this, and also a bowl. Normally we would need to use a ping pong ball, but this time I cannot find it in my house. And of course I need an assistant. That is my mother. She just standing outside the frame and throw the candy to the glass. Okay, so that is the filming part. It's very simple. You can do the same, but let's remove it. Remove it on the table because I think it's a little bit. So here is a footage, the original footage. You see. So I have a bowl here. See that? I'm going to turn it into candy. You see that? When the ball hit the floor or just flying up, going to hit the floor, my wife, she's standing outside the frame and throw the candy into the cup. Okay, and so now we need to find the correct position to cut it, to split. Okay, so the first thing, we can slow it down to here. Okay, just so you see that here. I think this is the right position for the first split. Okay, and let's split that because the ball is going up and then it's going down, and then the candy comes in. Okay, and secondly, we need to find the place where the candy come in. Okay, so just play it. You see that if we don't cut another small section here, we will see the candy coming from here, so it is not real. Okay, so we need to find a position where the candy coming from this position. Okay, and that is right. Okay, right now at this position, and I'm going to split again, and then I just rip or delete the section that I don't want. Okay, rip or delete, and we are finished with the effect. Okay, it's very simple, right? Let's play it. So I have a bowl here, see that? I'm going to turn it into candy. So I think it's very simple, but the most important thing is that when you throw the ball and you just do not move your body, so nobody recognize that. And the second thing, when you ask your friends, your mother, your wife, or your kid, or who throw the candy, she should be on top of the cup and then drop the candy like this. Not like my mother. She just. Okay, so now we can export the footage, and that is the tutorial for today. Another Jacky trick. If you like the video, let me know in the comment section below. If you have any question, also ask me. Email and comment here. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.